Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Dodge Durango. Start by locating the battery and disconnecting the negative terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the clamps and remove the cables in the correct order. Lift the battery out using proper posture and a battery strap if needed. Install the new battery, reconnect terminals negative last, and test the vehicle for proper starting and electronics. In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Dodge Durango. Prepare your tools and a clean workspace before opening the hood or trunk. Clean any corrosion with a baking soda paste and a brush to ensure good contact and prevent future issues. Securely fasten the new battery and make sure terminals are snug but not over-tightened. Recheck cable order and test electrical systems for proper function before finishing up. In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Dodge Durango. Quick recommendation. If you like practical tips and smart thinking, try the simple path to wealth for a simple take on money management that pairs oddly well with budgeting for car care. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Dodge Durango. Begin by turning off the ignition and removing the keys to keep systems inactive. Loosen and remove the negative cable first, followed by the positive cable, then hold down hardware carefully. Lift the battery straight up using a battery strap or correct grip to avoid tipping. Inspect the tray, clean as needed, and place the new battery securely before reconnecting cables in reverse order.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.